Alright, here's my little Husqvarna lawnmower, 5521. This is my brother's. When he moved to Florida a few years ago, I took this lawnmower because he didn't want to take it with him. So when I got it, I changed the air filter, the spark plug, and the oil. I didn't have to do any cleaning because he used it regularly, so you don't have to clean the car when you use it regularly. So, and I think the last oil I changed, I used I can't remember if I used Costco oil or Walmart oil, one of the two. And both those oils are really good oils. Works really well. I think on lawnmowers they usually tell you to use like a straight dirty weight, and the straight dirty weight basically. A straight dirty weight has it doesn't have the same detergents and such as a multi-weight for cars, because the straight dirty weight is meant for like lawnmowers and stuff. But anyways, what I'm gonna use now is I'm gonna use the Valvoline Restore and Protect. This is the latest and greatest of oils. It cleans carbon and stuff, so that's pretty common with lawnmower equipment. There's a lot of carbon buildup and such. So hopefully I'm gonna use this and it cleans it if it is dirty, and I'm gonna it cleans it and this should keep it clean. And I have a 0-20 because that's what my car uses. Both my cars, both my Miata and my Subaru Crosstrek uses 0-20. So this is what I got. So that's what I'm gonna use. I think before when I was using the Costco oil or either Costco or Walmart oil, it was probably also 0-20 as well, I believe. Because again, that's what I use for my my car. So whatever oil I use for my car, I use it for everything else, except for my motorcycles. My motorcycles, I use Jazzo MA for that. But anyways, so I'm gonna do that. I think before I start doing this, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the spark plug and put my bore scope into it and see if there's any carbon buildup in there. And I'm gonna use this for, let's say, this season, right? Because right now it's beginning of March. I think it's March 2nd, March 1st, March 2nd. Anyways, beginning of March. So I'm gonna use it this whole season. And at the end of the season, I'm gonna see if, do bore scope again or any of that or next season. Because I only change the oil on this thing once a year. Usually beginning of the spring season, when the grass starts to grow and you start to need to mow the lawn and such. So yeah. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a bore scope and see how it looks. And we can see before and after. And obviously the after, it's not gonna happen until either next year, basically a year from now, or the end of the season. Most likely it's going to be a year from now, so I'll do a separate video on that, because and you guys could compare. Maybe I put a link down. In another year, I'll put a link down or something, so you guys could see the before and after. All right. Another thing I forgot to show was the oil. So let's look at the oil. I drained the old oil out. I'm not sure you guys could see on the camera or not, but you can see the swirling of the metallic, and there's metallic in there. Right? Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully the glare from the sun's not so bad. But anyways, there's a swirling, little swirls, and you can see the little sparkle of metallic in there. Right? So again, hopefully you guys can see that.